Hello everyone, we are going to be drawing that figure display on your screen. We are going to be applying the principle of tangency in drawing the figure. So you can see the figure with the dimension given to us. So we are going to be applying the principle of tangency at the point there. So let's start straight away. So this one we are going to draw. Let's draw this. So I'm going to pick a point on the line which I will use for this first circle on my left, and the circle radius is 22. As we can see, circle radius is 22. So I'm going to be drawing that now. I will draw circle radius 22. So this is 22. Place at this point now. I'm going to draw that the circle radius, okay, of 22, and we are told that the distance from the center distance apart, we are given at 75. So what I'm going to do now, 20, I'll measure 75. I'm going to measure 75. So this is 75. So from this part now, so I'm going to draw this. Okay, now if you look at the two circles very well, they are not having the same center. Okay, so we have one part there which is 10. So I'm going to measure this 10 now. I will measure. Okay, now let's draw the second circle first. Let's leave the 10 out. The second circle radius is as you can see there is 12. The second circle radius is 12. So I'm going to measure 12. So I'll measure 12. So this is 12. So we shall be placed here at this center. Use it to strike an arc like this. So you can see that arc. So that is where I'm going to needle on. Okay, place the needle part of the compass at that part. Then I would use that to draw the second circle this way. So you can see that the top of the second circle, the bottom rather, is on the same line from the center of this other circle here, as you can see. Okay, so we have the center. This is the center of this circle, as you can see that way. Then we are given 10. That 10 is a point, okay, where the tangent is. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to measure 10 this way. So I'll measure 10. So this is my 10. So this 10 now, then place my T-square on it. I'm going to draw this way. Okay, so you can see the 10 now. So I haven't done all of this now. The next thing we are going to be doing now is to draw the arc. To get the arc, applying the principle of tangency. Now what we are going to do now at this point here, okay, we are going to be applying the principle of arc to a point. Now we are given that the arc there is 55. So I'm going to measure 55. I will measure 55. This is 55. This is 55. Place at this point here. Okay, at this point where we have that 10. Okay, then strike an arc down this way. Okay, now if you look at it, there is an arc that is coming on this circle here, so that is an external arc, external tangent to this arc here. So I'm going to be using subtraction because it's an external tangent that is being formed there. So what I'm going to do now is that I will come to this part now. The radius of that arc is 55. The radius of this arc here, as you can see, is 55. So I'm going to say 55 minus 12. 55 minus 12. Why 12? The 12 for this circle, the radius of this circle. So we're going to be having that as this 3. This is 43. I hope you understand that. That is 43. So I will take 43 from my 1, 2, 3. So this is 43. 43. So I will place at the center of this circle here, the center, strike an arc this way. You can see where both arc intersect. Now we extend my compass to 55, which is the radius, of the arc. So 55. Then I'm going to have this 55 now. Okay, then place here. I will place here, which is going to be drawn like this. So that part there, hope you can see that now. So I will draw the finishing out later. Okay, then okay, let me just do that straight away now. Let me do that straight away. Place this here, then extend to it. You have this. Okay, I hope that is clear. Then let's draw for the other side here. For the other side, the bottom arc there. So the same procedure is applied. So we have 85 as the arc. 85. So I'm going to measure 85 now. This is 85. We have this 85, and the 85 is going to be placed at this point here, where we have that arc. So I'm going to strike an arc this way. Let's extend, let me move this so that we can see that. So we have this, so we have this, so we have that arc. So I hope you can see that this arc, okay, that is being produced at that part now. Now the next thing we are going to be doing now, we are going to do the calculation for this. Now we have the circle radius. The circle radius is we have that, as we can see on the screen, which is 22. This circle radius, which is 22. So I'm going to be saying now that the arc radius, which is 85, let me do that here now. 85 minus 22. Yeah. Why? Because it's an external arc. Okay, it's coming out. So we're having that. So this will give us 3. Here will give us 63. So I'm going to measure 63. 6.3, 1, 2, 3. This is 63. Okay, so with that 63, now I'm going to place at the center here, which I'm going to strike this. I hope you can see that point there. Then I will stretch my compass now to the radius of the arc, which is 85, just like I did for the first one. So I'm going to have this, so which I will place here now at this point. Okay, so which is going to be picking this here. Okay, so all I need to do now, let me just draw the arc out. So we have this. Alright, so the next thing now, we take out the circle. This way. This way. To this part. Like that. Then we do for this other side as well. We have it like this. Okay, so this is the view. Okay, I hope this is clear. So you can go over the video again and check it again and again so that you'll be able to get it perfectly. Thank you very much for staying tuned. God bless you.